Welcome guys, welcome back. And today I have something fun to share with you because it's Christmas and some very close friends of mine who are not Jamaicans, but they know that my son and I are, and we love our Jamaican food and things from Jamaica. They went on a mission, guys. I think this is the sweetest thing. They went on a mission hunting for stores where they would get Jamaican things so that they could put together this package for my son and I, right? So without further ado, I'm going to go through the package and share with you what is in here, because it's all kinds of goodies, guys, right? And I must tell you too that they had to drive far, because to get this assortment they drove like over an hour to where there's a larger population of Caribbean people, and so they could get the selection, right? So the first thing that caught my eye was tough crackers, which I buy about one of this a week, honestly. And lately I can't find it in my town. So when I saw this, I was like, yep, I'm glad to get the tough crackers. And then St. Mary Plantain Chips. St. Mary, right? If you know, you know. They're great. And then I've never had this product before. It's St. Mary's Banana Bread Rum Cake. Never ever. I don't know if you guys have had it, and you can tell me in the comments, but it's nice and moist. I can feel it, and I can't wait to take a taste out of that. Of course, coconut milk. This is Cool Runnings brand. Coconut milk. Always nice to have in your cupboard. Make that rice and peas. And look at this, vanilla. I know that Jamaica produce some of the best vanilla in the world. This is a vanilla essence. So here you go. Now, this have to come with a bow on it for real. This is round bun, spice bun. The best thing to eat if you're on a road trip or just hungry. Grab it with a piece of tasty cheese. You're good to go. And while I'm at it, I think that they said they had a lot of fun with the lady who owned the store, and she gave them cards, so I'm going to big her up too. The name of the shop is Two Sisters Caribbean Grocery, and it is at 1910 Dundas Street East, Unit 118 in Whitby, Ontario. Okay, so apparently she was making Christmas pudding and selling it off the shelf, and they bought one, and I tasted it last night, and it was really, really good. And it's like the only thing that was missing, because I really never made any. And they gave me a piece that I don't know how I'm going to share it with my kids, because they're all going to want some, but we're going to do our best. But anyway, if you guys are living in the area, Two Sisters Caribbean Grocery, and they're on Instagram, Two Sisters Caribbean Grocery, so you can follow them there, okay? Anyhow, I got two types of red stripe that I've never tasted before. One is lemon and sorrel for the Christmas. I don't know if you guys have ever had these, but I haven't, and so that's a lot of fun. And a soft drinks. This is pineapple, and it's a great soft drink. I don't think I've tried grey soft drinks yet. Have you guys had them? Tell me. Then, this is Scotch bonnet sauce. I usually use the Grace one, but I'm actually running low, so that's nice to have. And of course, good old chicken noodle, right? Grace chicken noodle. You have to have this in your cupboard at all times. There's so much things in here, guys. Then Grace sweet plantain chips. I've had their chips and they're good. Then Buccaneer fruit rum cake. That's a nice little thing. I've never had this one with world famous Jamaican rum. There you go. Let's see it. Oh, there it is. Individually packaged. Very nice. And good old homemade royals. Wow. These are great. It never stops. It just keeps coming. And then, of course, guava jam. Who don't love a good guava jam? And this is Cool Runnings product. I didn't know where Cool Runnings is located. Of course, callaloo. So breakfast just got better. Love my callaloo and saltfish. And good old Grace jerk seasoning. Guys, this is such a sweet thing, eh? For somebody who is not even a Jamaican to go and search down these things. Police button cookie, when last you see these? Look at these little round cookies. They're great. Condensed milk, Grace condensed milk, and ping pong. Listen to me. Ping pong, when last you see a ping pong? This is a great, great product. Oh my goodness. When my kids see this, I don't know how it's going to share, but nevertheless. Okay, and once again, this is Two Sisters Caribbean Grocery, and she make Christmas pudding at Christmas time, so book yours. Okay, I definitely going to book mine for next year, and I don't know if she'll have after this, but I don't think I have time to go there between now and Christmas. Okay, so there you have it, guys. Like, I think that's a pretty awesome haul, and I think it was really, really sweet of them to do. So I'm gonna go and enjoy some of this, and I wish you all a wonderful Merry Christmas and a happy, prosperous New Year, and I'll see you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, share, comment, all of the good things, okay? I really appreciate your support.